Saki here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today to be filming in my new room. I haven't done a sit down video in a while because I pre-recorded a bunch of videos for February so that I didn't have to, worry about filming during the move, and this is like my first sit down video in this room and I'm so excited. There are so many different angles that I want to film at, so let me know what you guys think of this particular angle in the comments. Like, do you like the couch in the background with the stuff in the back? I don't know, I just like the fact that I can finally like switch up the locations that I'm filming at because I actually have more room now. Oh my gosh, Sally just jumped into the frame. She loves this couch. It's so funny. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a little birthday unboxing slash haul. Now, it was my birthday on February 19th. I turned 29. I know, I'm still young, but like, just saying that it's the last year in my 20s is so bizarre to me. I just can't believe how quickly time is passing, but that's neither here nor there. So this year, I kind of told my friends and family that, I didn't really need anything, and so my friends and like my husband ended up giving me like, funny gifts and just like little things that just make me happy, but they aren't like necessarily luxury items or anything. So I'm going to actually be sharing with you guys two of the things my mom bought for me because she didn't follow that rule and she did get me two luxury gifts. And then of course, per usual, I also got myself luxury gifts. It's actually something from my wish list that I did this year, so I'm super happy and so excited to be showing you guys what I got. Before I get started, I did want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do monthly giveaways in this channel. I upload twice a week. I love talking about luxury and handbags, so if that's your sort of thing, I really think that you'll like it here, and I really think that you should subscribe. Alright, so let's just get started. I'm actually going to be talking about the two things my mom got me first. So the first thing is going to be from Gucci. How funny is it that I've unboxed like 3 Gucci items on my channel now from like not having like much Gucci at all? It's just really funny to me, but I have, gotten into this brand lately, and like I've said, I've always really loved Gucci shoes, and as you may be able to tell from the box, these are Gucci shoes. And this is actually something that I've also wanted for a long time, but I just, it's not something that I like spending money on, and I think my mom knows that, so that's why she did end up giving me this as a gift. Alright, so here we go. She did buy it from Nordstrom, and she gave me the receipt in case, like, the shoes didn't fit or whatever. I do want to talk about sizing on this a little bit because when she was buying it, she did ask me about, like, my size, but then, like, the SA she was working with recommended to size a half step down. So here are the shoes that I got. Oh my god, I'm so excited about these. I haven't worn them yet because I wanted to save them for this unboxing first. They are the new Ace perforated sneakers in white and rose. So I think the Ace sneakers are anything with like this Gucci logo on the side, but this is like the perforated version, so it's just got a little imprint in here instead of like any, crazy logo. And then obviously they are white, and then the back of it is that pinky rose color, and I love these so much. I saw these at Nordstrom like a long time ago, and I really wanted to buy them for myself, but I just don't really believe in buying luxury sneakers. I know that they're so popular, and I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for saying this, but I don't get it. Like, I bought a pair of Valentino sneakers a couple of years ago, and I wore them once, and I just found that they were not worth it, especially for like how expensive they were. They weren't very comfortable at all, and I wear sneakers like on a daily basis, and I honestly just like don't understand having luxury sneakers, but I will love the crap out of these, and I am so thankful for my mom for buying these. However, I think that she really wanted to buy me these because she also has a pair of Gucci sneakers. I think it's actually like the regular Ace sneakers, the one with like green on the back and the stripe in the middle, and she says they're very comfortable. So it might just be like that one Valentino shoe that I bought wasn't, good or whatever. So I'm gonna give these another shot. I'm so excited to wear them. I just think that they're beautiful. I know that they look super simple, but just the fact that they have this little bit of pink on the back, just makes my heart melt. I love it so much. I am definitely a white sneaker girl. I feel like white sneakers can be worn with literally anything. Like I'll wear them with dresses, with pants, with shorts. I wore them the other day for a photo shoot with a suit, and I know like some people kind of like don't like that look, but I think that sneakers go with everything, especially white sneakers. So yeah, I'm just super happy to own these, and we'll see. I'll let you guys know like how comfortable they are after I start using them for a little bit, but I do expect that they'll be very comfortable. All right, and the next item that my mom got for me is from Hermes. I actually went into the store with her when she bought this for me as a birthday gift, and it was like kind of unexpected, but she was like, we're already here and you really like this item, so I'm gonna just buy it for you for your birthday. And I actually do want to mention something about Hermes. We have been going like a little bit more often recently, just because my mom is so determined to get a Birkin or a Kelly, specifically a Birkin though. She really wants a Birkin over a Kelly, but we've been going a lot because of that, and I just want to tell you guys some stuff that's happened recently in our Hermes journey and give you guys a couple of tips, because I do feel like she's really close, but I will explain all of that in an Hermes journey story coming up. So let me know in the comment section down below if you want to hear about that, because we haven't been shopping at Hermes for long, but I do feel like she's really close. I do feel like I have a couple of tips to share with you guys on like how you can, you know, get close to your essay and how to like kind of maybe speed up the process a little bit. I mean, knock on wood, I mean, I don't even have wood, but knock on wood that I'm not jinxing it in any way by talking about this, but I do have some tips to share with you guys. So let me know if you do want to see that video. All right, anyways, so the thing that my mom got me from Hermes is a little perfume. Now I know that this probably isn't as exciting as like an SLG or anything like that, but I love this scent so much. You guys will know that I'm not a perfume girl. My mom loves perfume, and that's why she keeps gifting it to me. Like she gave me the Chanel Chance, I think, God, I can't even remember, for Christmas, and I do love that scent, but this scent is probably like the scent that I love most out of all my perfumes. It is called the Twilly d'Hermes. So it's an eau de parfum, and it is just so lovely. So how I would describe it is like clean laundry mixed with roses or some sort of like flowers. I don't know. I'm so bad at describing perfume, but it smells like laundry and flowers. That's all that I can like think to describe it as. So she did buy me a very small bottle, but this is gonna last me forever because I barely ever use perfume. I love like clean scents. I don't know if that's weird, but I do love those like light floral, like girly scents, but my favorite scent is just things that smell clean. So like laundry, linen, that sort of thing, those are my favorite, and I just feel like this is just that scent combined with flowers in a bottle. So I'm really loving it. This was also pretty inexpensive as far as like, you know, luxury perfumes go. I think this was only like 80 bucks. I mean, granted it is very small, but you know, you guys with perfumes, like it's just one spray and then you're done. So this could probably still last me for a while, plus the fact that I do have like a lot of different scents that I do like. So I think that this is going to last me a while, and I'm just so happy with this scent. And all right, moving on to my items that I bought for myself. There are 2 items in here, and like I said, one of the items is from my wish list that I did upload in 2021. So I was super surprised by the packaging, because once you open this like brown packaging, there's already like the label right here. So yes, it is from Dior. If you guys watched my wishlist video, you'll already know what this is, but I did also buy another item that wasn't on there, so stay tuned for that as well. This is my first time purchasing from Dior from the online shop, and yes, I did go through the online shop and not through my essay. I do have an essay that I've worked with in the past who lives in Aspen, Colorado. I live in Denver, so Aspen's like 4 hours away, and she can ship me stuff, but I don't know, I just felt like it was easier and more convenient just to buy it online, so that's what I did. I was gonna put all like the ribbons and stuff back for you guys so that I can unbox it with you, but I was also just really lazy, so I didn't. Alright, so the wishlist item is in this box right here. Oh, I just love the Dior boxes. They're so like clean and pretty, and I just love the white and gold together. Alright, so opening it up, here it is. And then we have the little dust bag. I'm so excited because I have been wearing this, you know, a couple of different times lately, but I haven't showed it to you guys yet. So here is the little dust bag, and here is the item. How cute is this? Oh my god, I love it so much. I'm not a costume jewelry girl. I mean, I know I've said that in the past, but I just saw this and like had to have it for some reason. And like I was saying in my wish list video, I just think that this is such a cute item. And it was like, you know, pretty expensive because it is costume jewelry, but I think it's one of those pieces that you can like wear, and I feel like it's not going to, like, it's not too like gaudy, and it doesn't stand out too much like how a lot of costume jewelry pieces you know, do. So I feel like this is more classic looking, and I think it'll like, you know, really withstand the test of time a little bit better than a lot of costume jewelry. So here's what it looks like, and I'm actually gonna put it on so that you can see what it looks like. I have a couple of different necklaces on right now, but I think that it'll actually really go with this necklace. Here it is. So it is like a choker sort of situation, and there is a CD in the middle that's gold, and the little pearly things start out kind of large and they get a little bit smaller at the back. But oh my god, I love this so much. What do you guys think? I think it's super cute, and I actually really like the way my like necklaces look stacked like this. Like, what do you guys think? So this was, I think, $730, which, like I said, I know is very expensive, but I also feel like, you know, this kind of thing, like, you can wear it for a long time and it's not gonna like go out of style. I mean, this kind of pearl jewelry is like so iconic, and just the fact that it has this like little CD in the middle that gives it a little bit, you know, of a nice touch, I think that it's just really cool and unique, and I think it really goes with my aesthetic. I mean, look at this. So yeah, that was like the only like piece of costume jewelry that I had on my wish list. I do still want like a Chanel brooch and stuff, but other than that, like, costume jewelry is just not really for me. Well, jewelry in general isn't something that I really like think about a lot, although I have been wearing a lot more jewelry lately, like with the rings and all my earrings and stuff, but it's just not something that I really go out of the way and buy for myself. So I feel like this was a really nice present from me to celebrate my 29th birthday. Alright, and then the last item that I have to show you guys is also from Dior. So this was really unexpected, but I was shopping for this necklace and I saw this and I was just like, I kind of have to have this. So here is the little box, and it comes in this little dust bag, and yeah, like I said, it was so unexpected, but I really do like this item. So it's just this really cute Dior ring. So it says Dior on it, and it's like in this antique gold kind of hardware, and then it's got these like little rhinestones all around the sides. I have worn this a couple of different times, so it is a little bit dirty. So it looks like that, and then I actually wear it on my ring finger on my right hand, like opposite my wedding ring. So it just looks like this on. I'm so sorry about my nails, guys. It's been a while since I had a manicure. I have been loving the like multiple ring look lately. I mean, like, look how many rings I'm wearing right now. So I just think that, I don't know, I think it looks really cool, and I love how the antique gold makes it look a little bit edgier, but at the same time, I don't know, it looks also like classy. I don't know how to describe it. It's been like my style lately though. I've liked wearing like more edgier pieces, but also like still sticking with the like classic style that I like. I don't know if that makes sense, but I do feel like this ring fits it. So yeah, I'm just really happy with my purchases, and I'm so glad I was able to get this item for my wish list. I love it. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good on me. Alright, so that was all for my video. What did you guys think of my little birthday haul? Tell me what item you liked the most, and also let me know if you do want to see that Hermes journey video, because I really want to make it. I just don't know if it'd be really interesting because we haven't actually, you know, gotten a bag yet or anything. Before I go, I also wanted to remind you guys of March's giveaway. In the month of March, I'm giving away one of these beautiful twillies that my friends Ro and Amanda on Instagram have hand drawn and designed themselves. This is one that I have from them that's just like this beautiful cat print. However, they are going to be giving away a different print. I will insert some pictures so you guys can see what print exactly that they're going to give you guys. These two girls are so amazing. I've been talking to them on Instagram for a very long time, and they recently did start a shop where they have a bunch of like hand drawn and designed goods like this twilly right here. They are so talented and so amazing, and I highly recommend that you guys check out their shop. I will leave a link to their shop down below for you guys. All you have to do to enter this month's giveaway is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. Please also leave your Instagram username in that comment. If it is different from your YouTube username, you can enter in as many videos as you want in March, only in videos that I upload in March. So the more videos that you watch of mine, the more chances you'll have to win. You also do have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube and also following the three of us on Instagram. I will leave all of their, usernames and all of the details for the giveaway down in the description box below, so please check it out. And yeah, with that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game.